Strange vibrations, engine noise, or premature wear on belts and accessories are often signs that your harmonic balancer is no longer doing its job. This direct replacement harmonic balancer assembly is engineered to exactly match the fit and function of the original factory unit, making it a dependable solution for restoring proper engine balance and smooth operation. Built to strict specifications, this harmonic balancer features a stress-resistant rubber bond that is designed to properly absorb and dampen engine vibrations. By controlling harmful torsional forces, it helps protect critical engine components, reduce noise, and improve overall driving comfort. Careful construction and high-quality materials contribute to excellent tensile and impact strength, ensuring long-lasting durability even under demanding operating conditions. Each harmonic balancer undergoes thorough testing, including dimensional verification, material validation, and functional performance checks. This attention to detail ensures consistent quality and reliable operation right out of the box. As a result, installation is straightforward and confidence-inspiring, with no need for modifications when installed on compatible vehicles. Backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience, this harmonic balancer comes from a brand trusted by professional technicians and DIY enthusiasts alike. Millions of automotive experts rely on these components every day to deliver safe, effective, and cost-efficient repairs. Drivers who have installed this replacement appreciate the precise fit and restored engine smoothness, often describing it as an exact match for the original part. If you are addressing engine vibration issues or performing preventative maintenance, this harmonic balancer is a smart and reliable choice. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility with your vehicle and purchase today, and subscribe to the channel to discover more high-quality automotive parts that help keep your engine running smoothly and reliably for years to come.